Hey everyone, welcome back to Caring Guy. If you're looking for a powerful drone with 8K camera, obstacle avoidance, and brushless motors, today's review is for you. This is the F205 Professional Drone, and trust me, it packs a lot into a compact body. Let's get started. Right out of the box, the F205 drone looks sleek and modern with its foldable black design. Folded, it's super portable, perfect for travel or backpack carry. Unfolded, it feels solid and well-balanced. The drone uses 1503 brushless motors, which means quieter flight, better stability, and longer lifespan compared to brushed motors, a big upgrade for serious flyers. Flying the F205 is surprisingly smooth, even for beginners. You get one-button takeoff and landing, headless mode, optical flow positioning for stable hovering, and 5-level wind resistance for outdoor flights. With a single flight time of around 15 to 18 minutes, it gives you enough airtime to explore, film, and have fun. There's also a low battery alarm and one-button return, so you don't lose your drone mid-air. One of the standout features here is the 360-degree infrared obstacle avoidance system. The drone uses 5-sided infrared sensors to detect obstacles from multiple directions, helping prevent crashes during flight. You also get smart flight modes like intelligent follow mode, point of interest surround flight, gesture, photo, and video capture, and 360-degree tumbling flips. These features make flying more fun and filming more cinematic. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the dual camera system. Depending on the version, the F205 supports 4K, 6K, or 8K HD camera options, 5G Wi-Fi FPV real-time transmission, electrically adjustable 90-degree camera angle, and up to 50 times digital zoom. The dual camera switching lets you change perspectives mid-flight, and image transmission stays smooth and responsive. For aerial photos and casual video shooting, this drone delivers impressive results for its class. The remote control is packed with features and charges via USB, so no extra batteries needed. Controls include ascend and descend, left and right turns, speed modes, fast and slow, camera angle adjustment, direction fine-tuning, 360-degree rolls, and emergency stop. Everything is clearly laid out, making it easy to learn, even if you're new to drones. Inside the package, you get the F205 drone, the remote controller, a 1200 mAh flight battery, spare propellers, USB charging cable, screwdriver, storage bag, memory card and card reader, and user manuals. It's a complete starter kit, which is always a plus. Pros: 8K dual camera option, brushless motors, obstacle avoidance, smart flight modes, foldable and portable design. Cons: flight time could be longer. 8K works best in good lighting. The F205 Professional Drone is a great choice for beginners and hobbyists who want advanced features without spending premium drone money. If you want smart flying, strong camera performance, and easy controls, this drone is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Caring Guy. If this review helped you, hit like, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video, and happy flying!